Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and the car. Gloves, goggles, and ventilation matter. Once the battery is disconnected, remove intake runners or valve covers so you can access carbon directly. Use a targeted cleaner, either walnut blasting material or a chemical carbon remover, because each attacks deposits differently. Make sure to keep parts organized and labeled. That saves time on reassembly. As you prep, inspect gaskets and sensors for wear so you can replace any damaged components during the cleaning process. You now work through the complex middle steps. Clean methodically in small sections so the cleaner can penetrate. Once the solution has dwelled, agitate deposits with a nylon or bronze brush and gentle picks. Do not score metal or delicate sensor faces. If using walnut blasting, control pressure to avoid damage. After agitation, rinse or vacuum out loosened carbon and repeat as needed until surfaces feel smooth and visually clean. Make sure to keep oil passages and sensor ports free of residue as you proceed. You finish by replacing any gaskets and worn sensors, then carefully reassemble parts, torquing bolts to spec so nothing leaks. Once reconnected, run the engine through a warm-up cycle and monitor for smoke, misfire, or check engine codes. If performance hasn't improved, make sure to verify vacuum lines and intake manifold sealing. Also check for clogged PCV or EGR passages. One key troubleshooting tip: if codes persist after cleaning, perform a live sensor read to isolate whether a sensor or remaining deposit is caused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.